Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can make your VLC media as your default software. So for this you have to go to your settings and then click on the apps on your left hand side, and then you have to click on the default apps, and then you have to search for VLC media player. And when you are in the VLC media player, you need to make sure that all of the options there you have to choose the VLC media. For example, the point 3G2, you have to click on it, and here will be the option of VLC media player, and you can easily click on it and set as default. And you have to do all the options like this. You have to choose the VLC media as I showed you previously. Now there is another option to do it easily. You have to choose a video, then right click on it, and then click on the open with, and then you have to click on the VLC media player. Once you click on it, after that on the second time it will come the option of choosing VLC media player as your default software, as your default video playing software. Thank you very much for watching this video.